It's a bad bitch party, you cannot get in. I can take your man, pass him to my friends. I can shake your hand. No, I'm not your friend. I don't fuck with bitches. I just want some bands, bitch. Bitches only turn up with they friends.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Tia, and today, y'all can see what I'm doing by the title. I am giving y'all I am showing y'all all my slimes. Literally, I don't make slime like that anymore, though. That's the thing. But anyways, let's get into it. First things first is this. I don't know. I'm gonna call it Purple Galaxy Lavender. I don't care, but like, yeah. What the? I don't know. People like putting glitter in my slime for some reason. And, like, I let them, but still my slime looks crazy, but it looks bomb. At the end, I'm gonna tell y'all my official favorite. So stay tuned for that. Next is my Magical Blue Dreams. I don't know. My friend gave this name to me, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna rock with it. But yeah. So everything I put in here was glitter and cut up like rubber bands that look like sprinkles. Like, yeah, basically that's what I put. This stuff needs more contact solution or what, cause like, I don't know, but it feels like such a good texture. Guys, y'all tell me if I should start selling my slime. Like, I was thinking about doing it in the state while I was in the States. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to tell y'all. I went to the States. Probably because I haven't been posting since I've been in the States. I haven't been posting because I've been wanting to spend time with my. Oh my gosh, what did Bella do? What the heck? She put orange food coloring in my slime. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get her. Anyways, this is like my rubber band slime. I don't know. I just thought of putting a lot of rubber bands in here and did it, and it turned out like this. I can barely poke it. I can poke it, but y'all can not hear it. It's crunchy, like really crunchy. Like, yeah. A rubber band flew out. Alright. Next is my Purple Passion. I don't know. My mom gave me this name. I was like, yes. This is butter slime. Like, look. Oh, let me show y'all. I live in Japan, so there's like Daiso clay. I come to New Orleans and stuff to visit, but still I live in Japan. See, like, that's my butter slime. For some reason, like, all I did with this is mix some of my slimes together, put food coloring, put some Daiso clay in this junk, and that's how it turned out. Alright. Last but not least, Tropical Unicorn. I don't know how in the world. There's a pop socket on here. There's a pop socket though. This is probably like one of my stickiest slimes, but I'm gonna try my best to get it out. Well, it's not sticky. It's just in a container. It's hard to get out. Yeah, it's hard to get my slime out of this container. Oh my. Yeah, guys. See, tell me if I should put this in a different container. Because, like, this slime is just unacceptable. I mean, this container is just unacceptable. Alright, because I got my hair done yesterday and I don't want this to get messed up. I need to mess it up. Alright. So at first, this slime was mixed with my blue gel food coloring and my pink gel food coloring. It was like that's why I called it tropical unicorn, because it had unicorn colors. Alright. Alright guys, so it's the time y'all have been waiting for, so I can tell y'all my favorite slime. So I'm gonna stack all of them up. You know what, I'm gonna just put it like this. Alright, so if y'all really know me, y'all would know my favorite color is blue. But I do love the texture in this slime. This slime is really cute. I like the container for this one, and I like butter slime. So my answer is Magical Blue Dream. This is my official favorite slime, guys. Alright, make sure that y'all like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button if y'all want to see more videos from It's Your Girl Tia. Alright, bye guys.